Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? My name is Angelo and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. Now, as we know, one of the most popular skincare products in the Philippines are yung mga soothing gels natin. Mainly because very affordable sila and napakarami nilang iba't ibang mga uses for our face and body. But usually, meron akong mga nakikita sa skincare community na naaabutan sila ng expiration date ng soothing gel nila kasi hindi nila to naubos or nagamit lahat. And aside from the fact na medyo makalat din talaga mag-store and delikado gumamit ng mga expired skincare on our skin, syempre sayang din talaga sa pera kung hindi mo magagamit lahat ng soothing gel mo, no matter kung gaano man siya kamura. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some ways on how you can use your soothing gels so you can maximize it with every tub na bibilhin ninyo to the last drop. Also, this video is in partnership with Hello Glow, pero lahat ng mga tips in this video apply to all soothing gels kahit ano pang brand yung gamit ninyo. It just so happens na Hello Glow has one of the widest range of options when it comes to choosing the right soothing gel for you, and also sila rin yung isa sa mga pinaka-accessible na local brands. So that being said, wala nang any, let us begin. Now, the most obvious way to use a soothing gel is, of course, as a lightweight skin hydrator. However, most of those na nakikita kong gumagamit nito sa community natin are actually doing it wrong. Marami kasi sa atin, ang ginagawa lang nila is kukuha sila ng soothing gel, ipapahid nila ito sa skin, and then yun na. And for very few soothing gels, pwede yun, pero for most soothing gels na makikita nyo in the market, if yun lang yung gagawin ninyo, then you might actually be making your skin more dry, especially kung nakatapat kayo sa aircon or sa electric fan. Ang mga soothing gels kasi, they're mostly made of yung mga tinatawag nating ingredients na humectants, which are basically hydrating ingredients for our skin. Ito yung mga makikita nyo sa ingredients list na hyaluronic acid, glycerin, even collagen. However, pansinin nyo to guys, di ba pag nagpahid kayo ng soothing gel sa skin ninyo, after a few hours, parang walang-wala na siya or parang naging dry ulit yung skin mo? That's because yung mga ganitong humectants na nilagay nyo sa skin nyo, nag-evaporate na siya. So, nawala rin yung hydration na nilagay nyo. So, para ma-avoid natin na mangyari to, it's very important to seal in the hydration na nilagay mo with a product that has hydration sealing ingredients. Now, some examples of these hydration sealing ingredients are your shea butter, dimethicone, or other ingredients that end with the word methicone, and also cyclopentosiloxane or other ingredients that end in the word siloxane. Now, if meron ng ganitong ingredients yung soothing gel mo, perfect. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin alone. Pero kung wala, you need to follow up your soothing gel with a product na merong ganitong ingredients. And don't worry guys, hindi mahirap gawin to because the easiest way to do this is, sa umaga, just simply follow up your soothing gel with any sunscreen product. And at night, follow up your soothing gel with a moisturizing cream or a gel cream. Yung mga products na to guys, particularly sunscreens and moisturizers, almost always have these ingredients. Now to be sure, you can always check the ingredients list kung meron silang mga shea butter, methicone, siloxanes, or even the ingredient petrolatum kasi nagsiseal in din yun ng moisture. But in my experience, lagi yang may isa sa mga ingredients na to given na okay siya na sunscreen or na moisturizer. So as an example, I'll be using Hello Glow's Vitamin C Soothing Gel on my body, and magandang match to put before your sunscreen because the small amount of vitamin C here may boost yung sunscreen protection ninyo since best friends talaga lagi ang antioxidants and sunscreen. And as we know, vitamin C is an antioxidant. And the sunscreen I'll use is, of course, just as lightweight. This is the Hello Glow 3-in-1 Lightweight Sun Care Gel for that extra hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. On the other hand, if you're looking for a body lotion to use at night on top of your soothing gels para ma-seal in yung hydration niya, I also do have a video on my favorite body lotions which you can watch here. Alright, now moving on to our second way to use soothing gels. This is another obvious one and a lot of you use it this way, and this is to use it as an after sun gel. Now, as you guys know, usually yung mga nire-recommend and yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao na effective for after sun are specifically yung mga 100% pure aloe soothing gels. And while honestly, okay naman yung aloe, it's not the only option that you have. Now, as you know, aloe vera is a soothing ingredient on the skin which can be very helpful as an after sun, but there are a lot of other soothing gels in the market with other soothing ingredients that can be just as effective. For example, meron tayong mga soothing gels with Centella asiatica or Cica, very popular din yan. We also have green tea, chamomile, and so on. Or iba pa nga mga brands, minimix pa nila yung aloe and other soothing ingredients to make the soothing gel more well, soothing. So ang general tip ko for those using soothing gels as an after-sun product is find soothing gels with many soothing ingredients. Huwag niyong ilimit yung sarili niyo to just one kasi sayang guys. Especially since we have so much options in the market right now when it comes to soothing ingredients. Now as an example, if I were to choose an after-sun product sa brand ng Hello Glow, it would probably be yung tea tree with aloe vera serum soothing gel nila, since this not only has aloe but other soothing ingredients as well like tea tree water, centella asiatica or cica, Japanese knotweed, licorice root, chamomile, rosemary, and heart leaf extract. And as you can see guys, napakarami and perfect na perfect talaga siya if you like botanical extracts to soothe your skin. Alright, and now moving on to our next tip, which is for those na nagsishave naman, whether lalaki or babae kayo, whether facial hair or body hair yan, whether makapal na buhok or yung mga fine hairs yan, also known as dermaplaning. Because another way to use your soothing gel is as a 2-in-1 shaving gel and aftershave. And yes guys, one product for both uses, and sobrang life-changing talaga nito kasi hindi rin mura ang mga shaving gels and shaving creams So when I started doing this tip, medyo nakatipid din ako ng pera. Now using soothing gels as an aftershave, this is already nothing new. You guys already know why okay na okay siya gamitin. Basically, yung mga soothing ingredients in these soothing gels can prevent skin irritation because shaving our skin in general can be irritating. However, okay na okay din sila gamitin as a shaving gel because yung mga hydrating ingredients ng soothing gels can also temporarily soften our hair. And as a result, mas madali siyang i-shave, and the less effort yung pag-press natin with the shaving tool on our skin, the better para less chances for irritation. And sa step pa lang na to guys, ubus na yung mga soothing gels ko because I shave my facial hair almost every week. Tapos siguro after every few weeks magte-trim naman ako ng body hair. I also use soothing gels before and after I do that. Now as an example, I'll be using Hello Glow Sunflower Serum Soothing Gel. Ito kasi has collagen to provide hydration, and also sunflower oil which helps smoothen and soften the skin around the hair. And then when you use this as an aftershave, meron naman tong small amount of niacinamide which as we know helps with skin barrier function and may also help prevent any darkening, especially sa mga body areas. And for those who love aloe to soothe their skin after shaving, meron din tong small amounts of that. And remember guys, nasa around 150 pesos lang ang isang soothing gel from Hello Glow, and that's for 300 ml already. Usually yung 150 pesos, presyo lang yun ng isang shaving foam na baka nga 50 grams lang, tapos bibili ka pa ng aftershave. So definitely, this will help you lessen your expenses when it comes to using skincare for shaving. Alright, and now moving on to our next tip. Ito naman is for those who love a good glowy makeup look, especially yung parang glass skin na look pero ayaw nyo ng sobrang heavy on the skin. This next tip is to use your soothing gel as makeup skin prep. Na laging sinasabi ng mga makeup artists and yung mga favorite makeup content creators nyo is, it's important to have the right skin prep sa skin mo para mas maganda yung lagay ng makeup. Kasi guys, minsan kapag meron tayong dry patches or kung dry yung skin natin in general, magmumukhang parang cakey yung makeup. And especially for those na gusto nila yung parang natural na no makeup look, syempre ina-avoid natin yun. So a soothing gel is one of the most affordable ways to do this, especially since yung mga soothing gels will help your skin become more hydrated, which will reduce the chances of it being dry and flaky. And what's more, pag soothing gel pa yung nilagay mo, very lightweight lang siya, so pag nilayeran mo pa siya ng makeup, it's not going to feel so uncomfortable. So as an example, I'll be using itong Hello Glow Rosewater Soothing Gel on my skin. This has hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin to give it that supple look and feel. It also has aloe, green tea, and rose water for those looking for soothing properties. After that, I'll be applying my favorite skin tint, and as you can see, ang ganda ng effect nito sa skin guys. Naging glowing siya in a very, very natural way. Now, another tip I have na nakita ko rin ginagawa ng mga iba is, if you don't want the look to be too glowy or too shiny on your skin, look for a matte or demi-matte na skin tint or tinted sunscreen para ma-balance out niya yung glow ng soothing gel, giving you an even more natural look na hindi siya super shiny. Alright, and last but not the least, we move on to our final tip, and this is for those na maaga nagigising and have prominent dark under eye circles. Ako kasi guys, personally, kapag meron akong work that requires me to wake up very early, yung darkness ng mata ko ngayon, mas nagiging dark pa siya kasi sobrang nagiging puffy talaga siya pagising ko sa umaga. Now naturally, nawawala naman siya as the day goes by, but for those who want their puffy morning eyes gone faster, a good tip is to use your soothing gel as a morning eye mask. So actually, gumawa na ako ng video before on the different causes of our dark under eye circles, and like we mentioned sa video na yon, puffiness can really make your dark under eye circles even more pronounced because of dehydration. Pag bagong gising kasi tayo, of course, ilang hours tayo hindi uminom ng tubig, thus the dehydration, and also of course, yung swelling sa mukha natin in the morning, sometimes it's because because of ilang hours din tayong nakapress talaga yung mukha natin sa pillow. So paggising natin, naturally, it's swelling a bit. So using a soothing gel can really help bring back the hydration faster sa under eye area mo. And especially if may mga soothing ingredients siya, it can also possibly help with the swelling. Plus points pa kapag nilagay mo yung soothing gel sa ref mo overnight and malamig siya, another way to reduce yung inflammation kasi nga malamig. So just to show you guys what I usually do sa mga mornings na meron akong shoot, I do keep a soothing gel sa ref ko the night before. As an example, I'm gonna be using this one from Hello Glow. It's their Collagen Serum Soothing Gel. This one not only has collagen and hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin around the eyes, but it also has soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica, Chinese skullcap, green tea, chamomile, and rosemary to soothe the skin. Surprisingly, this also does have ceramides, which are always a plus to help keep the skin soft and smooth and to help keep the skin barrier intact. So I just put a very small amount of this sa under eye area ko and then I cover it with an eye mask for just about 5 minutes. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng spoon or ng roller na galing sa ref overnight para malamig siya, and you can press around the area for the puffiness to disappear even faster. And after that, you will notice na medyo nakatulong siya. Now, just one thing lang though to be more aware of when it comes to using soothing gels sa under eye area natin, especially since the skin on our under eye area is a bit more sensitive compared to the rest of our face. Just be more careful when it comes to using soothing gels with fragrances. Now, I'm not saying na hindi pwedeng gumamit ng soothing gels na may fragrance sa under eye area natin. In fact, yung ginamit kong soothing gel sa under eye area ko, meron siyang fragrance. Pero ako personally, hindi naman ako allergic to it or anything. I actually patch tested it first para makita ko na hiyang yung skin ko doon sa fragrance. So just be careful if merong fragrance yung soothing gel na ginagamit ninyo. Be sure to patch test first before mo siya ilagay sa under eye area mo. And be sure to just use very small amounts para medyo sigurista tayo and hindi tayo masyadong madala doon sa point na may irritate na yung under eyes natin. Or if you want, kung ayaw nyo talaga isipin yung irritation sa under eyes ninyo, you can also get a fragrance-free na soothing gel to even lessen the chances further. Also, another thing that I want to mention is itong eye mask step na to, hindi siya requirement sa isang skincare routine. More of just a step for convenience siya. If bothered na bothered ka talaga sa puffy under eyes mo sa umaga, temporary fix lang siya. But if you do want to look more into the causes of dark under eye circles, I will be linking you to my video on that sa end ng video na to so you can get more information on this topic. But just to let you guys know, if you want to check out any of the soothing gels na ginamit ko in this video, nilagay ko na lahat ng mga links in the description box along with the other products I used para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And as promised guys, if you do want more information and solutions for your dark circles, here's a video on that. And if you do want to know how I conceal my dark circles, meron naman akong skincare plus makeup video where I do that as well. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!